Welcome to the Grok Shop. In this video I'll show how to change out your cabin air filters in a Honda Element. Hopefully yours aren't as gnarly dirty as these are. You definitely want to change them out before they get this bad. Okay, first up you want to open your glove box. These glove box door stop tabs have to come out. You can pry them out here from the inside with a screwdriver or use some needle nose on these flanges here. Either way, be careful, it is plastic. Once you get both tabs out, you can let the glove box drop all the way to the floorboard. You don't need to completely remove the glove box to get to the filters. Okay, the two rectangular filters are behind this corrugated plastic doorway here. So there's a little tab, just pull that to the right and pull it back. Each filter comes in its own little plastic housing and they have little tabs. For the first one you can just grab the first tab and pull it straight back, and it just comes out at an angle right underneath the bottom of the passenger dash area. I don't know, what do y'all think? Maybe I could have gone a little bit longer? Okay, the next filter has to be slid over from the right to the left, and the little tab protrudes there, so it's pretty easy to slide that over and pull it out just like you did the first one. Yeah, I got leaves in my cabin filter. So you probably want to dust it off when you pull. If you're so dirty as mine are, give a little dust off there. So I decided to use these TYC filters. They have pretty good reviews on Amazon for what that's worth, but they seem to be working all right. If you're interested in those, I'll put a link down below. So these filters really just barely sit in the trays. They come right out. There's no tricks or anything. Definitely clean out your tray. And when you put the new ones in, make sure you observe the airflow direction. There is some sealant, weather stripping type stuff on here that mine was a little beat up, but stuff like that doesn't really bother me. So you may want to repair that or not. I didn't bother with it. Anyway, here, yeah, you can see me taking note of the airflow direction. That part's kind of important. You know, make sure you get your airflows matched up there. So when you go to put them in, you want to make sure, of course, that you put them in the same order you took them out, and the airflow direction is pointing down, and your two tabs will basically be in the middle. So the first one goes in with the tab on the left there, It could be a little fiddly getting them started because it is kind of a tight angle, of course. It is Honda, but it's not too bad. Just pop one in, slide it over, pop the other one in, and get the door back on, and you're good to go.
You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
So now you can just reinstall your Glovebox door stoppers and you're all set. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.